They spared you for sure. Yeah, look at this 90-minute candle on Bitcoin too. It's about to close in 20 minutes. I think USDT was hitting that level too. Yeah. See, same thing. USDT did the mega lick again, but I don't want to push higher no more. It's like definitely losing momentum, even if it's pushing now. Like each push is like getting faded out. See, we're getting three lower highs now. And then the momentum is already maxed out with the lower high. Just as much as where there was this high. So that's what I'm saying. There's definitely like a momentum divergence going on here. Right? Momentum's getting soaked out while price keeps pushing. I mean, at least we didn't pump Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you know? Then we dump all week. You see what I'm saying? That's why I'm still, I'm still, hopeful on this play, especially USDT's agreeing because we didn't dump like, we didn't pump all week. I'd rather have it dump, you know what I'm saying? From the open. And plus, I told you guys 23-day open coming. And I even told you guys on Matt's channel, you guys can take head short on Bitcoin. Literally at the top wick for the new open low. So yeah, like just always tracking 23-day close, like that's why I even told you guys we're gonna suck up for the close. You know what I'm saying? And then we did the close. And same thing with this move down. That was the suck down, that was the push down. You know what I'm saying? For the USDT, for the close. And then now it's doing the new open, right? And it's fading back up like this, right? It was sucking down for the close, Same thing with like Bitcoin, but like it was sucking up for the close. So this is where I'm always mentally noting myself, oh shit, the new one's gonna come out. So that's why I know like some sort of downside is coming, right? Like without even knowing like actually like how it could even happen. But you guys see it always lines up perfectly with the news or whatever, something, something, something. It always offers that. Right. And that's why it's very important to track this range, right? And especially not just any range. This is the first 23-day range. I shared it with you guys. Right. Watch the first 23-day range of the quarter. Now we're doing the second 23-day. And I gave you guys two scenarios. We make a higher low or we can sweep even and make a lower low and then work on to take out these highs. So now our job is to see if we can hold these higher lows, right? Then we can start to take actions, right, off of these higher lows to go here. But if not, we could still clear this wick one more time and do a little quick lower low, right? But at this point, we have heavy support at these points because we have previous lick holding is holding the fair value on the wick. So now this is where on the lower time frame, you guys need to see new fair value to hold off of this wick. then you can start to see, lower time frame reversal out of here to create this candle to push up. It's so fucking weird how it lines up, bro. Like, you see it every week. Every time it happens, it's always lining with the open low, and then like they always do it on a Wednesday or a Friday, right? And then they always do it going right into the 4 to 6 hour candle every single time. It's like they already have it programmed, bro. Right? And this is where like always use that logic. Even the same thing, like last 6 hour candle, guys, like this one, like we close, right? And then for that close, this is where I'm like, okay, from this point, that's where I told you guys hold your pants, and I already went stop loss break even. Because I didn't know if it was gonna make a higher low off that open low or make a lower low. Right? Especially this candle is the news candle on top of that. Right. So again, if just say you're in a lower time frame trade and you're printing, but if you guys don't know that this is the close of this 6 hour candle and don't realize that next 6 hour candle is the news candle, then this is where again you're in risk, right? From these trades. And that's why I went risk free on them. And if it made a lower low, I'll just take entry again, which it did. So win-win scenario. But if you don't know that, then you're just clueless. What the fuck going on? Right? Why is it dumping so hard? Why is it doing this? Why is it doing that? At least I knew there was two things that it could do, and I seen one or the other. And I already managed risk for that scenario. Right? Just in case it does the lower low, break even. Bro, that's soul trade, man. I knew that first scam pump, bro. I knew right there, bro. I knew something was fishy, bro. I knew something was fishy off of right there, bro. That's why I was just like, oh, bro, nah, bro. And then boom, you get that mega lick. So I took it off the mega lick again. This shit is stupid though. Bro, I felt it, bro. I literally felt it with the 6 hour closing. This is again, look at this, guys. Like I caught that move, and that was the close. And if you see how the 6 hour candle was physically closing, again, it's either gonna do a higher low, grab the wick, or do a lower low, take the wick. Again, two scenarios, only two scenarios I could see it could do. Right? So then again, I have to manage risk accordingly. If I didn't, bro, I would have just taken the full stop loss. That's the thing. Especially on this one. Like if I wasn't thinking in that sense, then like time with the lick, like I would have just got cooked on this one, bro. And this is what I'm saying, guys. Like, look, ever since we weekly opened, right? Ever since we weekly opened, we're going low into the Wednesday, right? So I'll rather have it do that than go open high, take the high out, and be right here and fail right here today. That means we're going all the way back down all week. That would be worse in my view. What do you guys think? And also, I kind of see the same scenario, just like how we sucked up, right? We sucked up for the 23-day close, and that's why I gave you guys even the soul play right here. right, to target these highs for the close, right, which we did. And now you guys can see the new 23-day, right? But also, we have a new monthly candle closing soon too now, right? We literally have 2 days left till this monthly candle close. So the same thing applies within the monthly time frame. So it's always going to overlap. 23 is going to happen first, and then the monthly is going to come after, obviously. All right, so now after this close, again, what does it need? Another open low. So that's going to be the true 23-day open low plus the monthly open low. Right, when they both line now. Right now, the 23 and the month is not lined. 23 already opened, and then but monthly still needs to open and then do another low, which monthly open low is going to overlap with that now 23-day open low. Does that make sense? So once that's clear, then it's full. It's fully can swing there, or take the low out, whatever it's going to do on the next candle. So that's why just, take it easy till those points, like fully until we can get into those, like, quarterly lows, like we can confirm the quarterly lows. That's when we go into swing trades, like mega swing trades. Also, I'm watching TNSR. That shit looks crazy now, guys. Look at it on the daily. It's grabbing that wick. But we don't really have much time left now, guys. This is it now. Like we don't have space. That's quarter one right there. The red line is quarter one. So like we really need to like do something here and then take the highs out, right? Before this hits. So there's like really not that much time left, right? You have your clear targets and you have your time when it needs to be finished by expire date, right? Of the yearly candle. So the thesis goes, right? So if you're a bear, then what are you watching for? You ideally want the yearly close to take the lows out by this time, right? Meaning down until here, yearly close. But if this happens, then we're filling these gaps down here and it's going to offer a whole new setup. And then again, that means there's going to be a bull market or something. It's going to, then again, it's going to the highs again. But then that doesn't make sense for next year to have downside, right? If we're already doing the downside, unless we're really going into like a fucking bear market, like what everybody's saying, then we're just going to zero, I guess. But I don't see that. It's always, going by year, quarter by quarter, year by year, either way. But what I know here at this point is we have this much time and we have this price level we can watch and this price level we can watch and this low it could potentially take out. But what is more higher probability at this point? To take the highs out and put in an all-time high and then close and then go down next year? Or go down here like this and then start pumping next year? What is more likely with everything lining it up together? You guys see what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What is just more probable just looking at this bigger picture with the little time that we have left now? It looks like it will hold a higher low and take the highs out, right, guys? Like that's more probable looking at this objectively, right? And again, it will differ if we were like gapping down on this candle. If this candle closed like down all the way down here, and then now this candle is creating a fair value, then I would argue that we will close the yearly close with the taking the lows out, right? So now look at the order flow and everything too. As we failed here, yes, this is a failure, but after failing, have we displaced down? Yes or no? Right? We couldn't even properly break a structure low, right? So all this down move is what on this higher time frame. Exactly. It's not creating a displacement down, right? Like here. It's displacing down. It's displacing down. It's creating fair value to the downside, rebalancing fair value, creating more fair value to the downside. Right? Like look at these highs. And even here, why didn't we not top out here? Everybody said, oh, this is it for Solana. But again, look at the moves down. All right, what happened to the moves down here, guys? Zero fair value to the downside. Right? So in lower time frame, yeah, it's going down, and it's a long period of time. So most people they get bearish, right? But time and order flow wise, look at the time. Oh, right into Q4. So time is there. Order flow says it's not going down. So again, time and order flow is winning out on whatever thesis that is going on right here. No matter how bad it looks or what it looks like, it doesn't matter. Time was due. Quarter 3 finished going into quarter 4. We weren't able to fair value lower multiple times. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 candles. So again, then naturally your targets become where? Your highs, right? This high, that high. And again, from this high, why aren't we going higher from this high? We weren't able to fair value higher. So it's not guessing, right? And we already got 1, 2, 3, 4 times coming back to this level, right? And that's why, once again, we had this rejection. But again, off of that rejection, we're not getting a clear bearish displacement to the downside to take these lows out, right? Before this time clears out. So, like, what is more probable? Long as we're not shifting order flow, it's more probable that we take the highs out, right? And then shift order flow down after we take the highs out or something by the due time, you know? But, like, again, if this candle closed shit, then I would be arguing to take out the lows right now, right? Like, if it closed like this, right? Or if it closed like that. But you guys can see it literally sucked up 70% of the downside of that candle. Look at that, man. 2 minutes till the 90-minute candle close now. So if the next 90-minute candle does the open low, then that'll be another higher low entry coming, guys. But if it does the open high, then we're pushing the lows one more time. Probably sweep all these lows out. Yeah, China always push the price up, and then US just dumps the price down nowadays, bro. That's the Trump PA. What kind of China stuff we have tomorrow, though? More tariffs. I mean, it would make sense to make a deal right after they lick everybody out again. Solana's holding too, bro. This thing looks so good. Yeah, Solana, as long as it holds here, I'm bidding. But lose here, then all this getting cooked, man. Always, previous lick is the last level. So again, this is the decision point, guys, right here. Same thing with Esther too, right? I told you guys it's gonna come to the previous lick, and it's at the previous lick right now. So it's at the decision point. And that's why always it makes sense for me to take risk at these points. Because if it doesn't work out here, then it's really cooked. It's going lower, right? But if it does work out here, then it's gonna push all these highs. So it's always a great risk to reward if you can try out a previous lick retest. Right? Take your chances there. And then now we're back above these previous lick two now. The smaller one. So yeah, same thing with Esther. Long as it holds these levels, you need to target the open. And just these. So clean moves, 20%. Let me look at CRV. Oh shit. Yo, CRV looks crazy now. Zell, this is it, bro. CRV's tweaking here. Oh, it took those lows, bro. See, bro, that was so edgy. This PA here. Yeah, it's holding strong, bro. See, the new 90-minute candle now. See, guys, like this is what I mean. It's sucked up, right? So now this new 90-minute it has to do open low and make a higher low, then it will start to juice again. Yeah, let's see what this 90-minute candle do. It's the second 90. Bro, look at that candle though, man. Really sucked up the whole thing. Yo, what's good, Sally? Did you take anything, bro? BTC? You took BTC? I still have mine from fucking 105 type shit. Because if they get me on that one, guys, then we're really cooked. Heavy time, bro. If they get my bottom entry, we're cooked. You look at ETH though on the daily. Bro, look at it on the daily, bro. It's at the previous lake. Oh, this is do or die for ETH, guys. For real, for real. It's really done it already. It's right at the previous lick, bro. This is it. It's right at the level. If it fucks up here again, it's taking them lows out, man. For real, for real. Oh no, Sally. You fat fingered exit, close all. Yeah, this is the last level for ETH for this level is here, guys. The next levels are skipping town to down here. So these are the last bidding level for ETH at these points. Look at this. This looks like shit. It needs to gap up. If no gap up, then this thing is cooked. This 90-minute open low has to make that lick, bro, and hold it. Hey, it's coming back for you, Sally. It's just coming back for you. Oh, no. Bro, SPX earlier, man. That thing is the one that really pissed me off today. That thing edged me so hard. Oh yeah, I gotta check on the save setup too. Oh, so it's there too. It's right there too, guys. What could say, guys? It's literally right there coming back above. Oh, yo. Yo, Saley. Look at this. I mean, like, these are the like I said, guys. These are the levels. If we don't hold here, we're doing one more skip to the downtown. So that's what I'm saying. These are the all everything, bro, that I'm looking at. If we lose here, if we don't gap up here, then we're skipping one more town 20% to the downside. One more fat short. So the best hold here, gang. There's nothing else now. There's no more fair value except for all the way down there. So again, can skip town. Yeah, it needs to hold the line and gap up, not just hold the line. We need to hold the lines and gap up. So things got work to do, man. Yeah, especially with this new 90-minute candle. It's the second 90. I need a re-entry on SPX. If it gets that higher low, I'm gonna take it again, guys. Oh yeah, also this one, guys. This one I fucking fully closed it off of that candle close, but this one was a stupid snack. Bruh. I was like, what the fuck? But I need another entry on this one too. Oh yeah, I think it's coming for it right now, bro, for another entry. Yeah, just watch those like pullback ups, guys. If they're always like if you look at like even Sol here, like look at that last candle close, like even on like a 1 hour or something. And if you guys see, like just look how that candle sucked up and closed, right? So again, like on the lower time frame, it looks good, like going up. You know what I'm saying? But if you don't understand that was the close, and then it's gonna do another open low again, right? Same thing. So you always gotta know what candle it's closing and what this move was for what candle, because if you're not tracking that, this shit just looks good. You don't do nothing, and then it's all the way back again. And but I'm already waiting for the higher low. That's what I'm already telling you. Right? Because if you understand that, then you already know the higher low or one more lower low is coming. So again, at this point, what do you need to do if you understand that? Manage risk, even if you caught this lick. Because again, going back, all that is what? Just your 1 hour candle sucking back up for the close. Yo, can somebody tag him the link for the indicator in the pro chat? I think it's pinned. You can go look at it in the discussion in the pro chat. It's pinned. Yeah, it needs to start swinging here and start gapping it. It's at the last level too. So it needs to start holding here and start to gap up. Yeah, we need to start popping some imbalances here so we can gap up. Divergence on the 15 though is cooking now. Momentum is shifting here. No gap up, then one more fat push coming now. Yeah, even here, there's divergence already happening in the momentum. You guys can see here, price made the low, lower low, momentum made the low, higher low. It's just two different indicators. Well, I didn't make it, that's why. Like, it's like fucking Jackstein, it's like some shit like that. So, like, yeah, they made it. Yeah, and sometimes, and that's why this one, when I'm trading, in the Asian session, then I just have it on the first six. You guys can see that's the first six. When I take the longs at night, longs at night, longs at night. This is what I mean, bro. Like, Asia be just pushing price and New York should be just dumping, bro. Every time. Shit goes up, shit goes down. Shit goes up, hey, shit goes down. Every day, bro. Shit goes down. Shit goes up, shit goes down. Like, shit goes down, shit goes down. Like, yeah, man, this shit is crazy, bro. I'm telling you, every day it will pump at night, and if you don't TP, bro, it's such a simple action. But if you guys actually start doing that, then you'll actually start taking hella money home. Man, a little bro over there forecasting. Gonna be a weather forecaster. Okay, this 6-hour candle looks stupid. Let's see what the say is doing here again. Is it holding and gapping from here now? Oh, shit. Yes, it is holding. Wow, what is this bearish divergence right here, though, bruh? Yeah, that's just gonna get eaten up. Oh my God. Oh, shit. This thing is just ruined, too. Oh my God, bro. First 23, second 23 with the monthly open low. That'd be crazy, bro. It's cooking. Okay, CRV. Oh man, I didn't look at this one today. Damn.
Yo,
Yo,
what up? What up?
what's good?
Nothing much. Nothing much. What you been up
You just
to?
catch some lick today?
Hell yeah. Yeah, today is a good day. I'm waiting for probably, I don't know, a little bit. Good day today.
Yeah, shit was crazy today, bro.
Yeah, I took the short like early this morning, early, like
Oh,
8 o'clock.
it's a short, long, short, another long now. Oh, bro. 4 equal moves, bro. Crazy day, bro. Crazy
I don't know.
fucking
I
day.
feel like this was. I kind of expected this dump though. It's like everything was already priced in for cuts, and because of the government shutdown, there's no economic data. Like they're not going to cut it. There's no way.
That's what I'm
So I feel
saying.
like
It's shit,
the
bro.
cuts were already priced in, and then we have that government shutdown. So like, even if we hold steady, bro, that shit's just gonna
How long you
dump, and
think?
then
How long you think they're gonna shut down for, or is
I
she
don't
gonna
know.
be shut down
It,
for?
I wonder how we'll look for like December. I could see it being back in December, and then rate cut December is like the blow off top, like that's
Type
like the
shit, type
starts to
shit,
open high for the next year into the bear market. That's what I
bro.
personally I
That's what
think.
I'm. That's what I want too, bro. I really want to
Yeah,
see that
like
play,
summer, the
bro.
alts are going, and then after the alts are done in
Exactly,
summer,
bro.
like then it's
Over.
cooked,
That's
and
the top.
yeah,
Like
that's
mega
the
top.
real top, like before actual, because we can't just dump right after the yearly close for the bear market. Like we're gonna have to let
We
alts
have
move
to
a little
trap.
bit, at least in the
Exactly. We
beginning of
have
the
to
year.
trap the longs, just like how they trap the shorts. We
Yeah,
have to
because
trap
if
the
we do what
longs to the other
happened
side.
like last year, then bro, we'll just like if we do what happened this past year, bro, we'll just blast again. It'll just be open low in the yearly.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I
So
was
it's like,
telling them,
yeah,
bro. If we don't do that, then we're just gonna blast again. Like which that
yeah. Which
doesn't
I mean,
make
I'd be
sense
fine
with
with that
everything,
too.
with all the economic data and shit, bro. Like with everything coming, like I don't think like 2026
Yeah.
we can do another open low. If anything, it's gonna
Oh
be an
fuck no.
open high, you know, and then maybe do a low and then do a fat close or something, pulling back up, and then just do a fat one too off of that again, and then maybe we can start to go off of that after that. But I think it needs some downside, bro. After this last clearance.
Yeah, it does. It
Bro,
does.
this Doge setup though, man. I forgot about it. XPL2, guys. That shit mega offered. Oh my god. What a scam coin. Oh my god. So nasty, man. What else was you looking at, Steam?
Really just I've just been focusing ETH and Bitcoin and Solana. I
You're
haven't really been
fucking with
paying
ETH?
attention to too many of the alts, except for like some of like the scam coins, like stuff like SNX that did the scams and
Oh,
stuff
oh,
like
look at
with like
EPTC.
big projects.
That thing is just cooked. But EPTC is loading, man.
Oh yeah, I know that shit's like it's kind of it's like very interesting looking in my opinion. I think it looks. I mean, I think it looks pretty all right here. I'm not gonna lie. It just has to pop like a leg up on the high
Yeah,
time
that's
for
what
me to
I'm saying.
hold
It
it.
just kind
So
of had to
it
like,
looks like it will though, to be honest.
yeah, it looks like it will, but I would like to see a gap, like invert this bitch and
Yeah,
do a fat
yeah,
gap up and then come back down and make a higher low or something and then blast for something.
yeah.
Then that would be
But
some
like
crazy shit,
the
but
major high
I
time
need
frame
that.
look at it though, like we should go at least take out the August high on the ETH chart. Like in my opinion, I don't think
Look
that's
at
too
this.
crazy.
That's what I'm saying. We're just
But if
doing
we
the
fail
open
to swing
low
here, then
on
we're
the new one.
coming to GP then.
Exactly, bro. Then we're coming to GP as we spoke about right here. See what I'm
Yeah,
saying? But
yeah.
but I think we can hold here, bro. Like if we, you know
Yeah,
what I'm
that's
saying?
literally why
But
I've just been focusing mainly ETH
far
because
as
the ETH is like the price
ETH
action. I've been liking ETH again.
yeah, as long as it can hold this level on ETH.
Yeah.
But if not, bro,
Just
it's really going for GP at least, like you said. If we lose these
mm,
levels, then we can like boom and then boom, boom. But I don't know, bro. I feel like we don't have enough time for that.
well, look at the 3 day. Look at the 3 day on ETH.
Coming
Look
to
at the
the
3 day on
3 day.
ETH and look at
Ooh.
the fat daily wick from the mega lick. Like that was that we literally wicked into the 3-2, held previous lick as well, held previous lick, held all these gaps on the 3 day, popped back above and closed above the 3-2, and we're not gapping any lower now on the 3 day. So like, and we technically haven't gapped down on the daily either. Like there's no gap
Yeah,
down. We didn't hold the
yeah.
gap up, no gap down. I don't know. I
That's
think
what I'm
that shit
saying.
looks good, and I've been kind of
That's
fucking with
why
ETH.
here we need to really start to see, lower time frame order flow gets created here, just to create these gaps up now. Because we really
Yeah,
need some sort of order flow here. Because you could see one, two, three. Ever since the lick day, we never had a proper, you know what I'm saying? There was no proper
yeah.
displacement either direction. So
And now look at the 23 day on ETH as well.
shit looks crazy.
Yeah, it's. I mean, it's literally swinging within. Like it's
Yeah.
we have the low, lower, low, higher, low, and a 23 day gap. I don't know. I really would have liked it to be to like 3300s. But I mean, if that's not what we're gonna get, that's not what we're gonna get. But
That's
I
what
mean,
I'm
like, look at
saying.
that shit. It kind of just looks though
Yeah.
like we might end up just going in sleeping highs.
Like max at,
So,
max here
yeah,
type shit.
yeah.
Like it's really looking like doesn't want to. What if it does? Like I said, then, bruh, that'll be that mega lick, and then it will just make
But
a stupid.
that's what I want though, because then that also I feel like lines
Yeah,
maybe a
those.
little nicer with like the Q1, Q2 kind of like mini alt, blow off top, and then bear market like that. I feel like that line's a lot nicer time wise with it, and like ETH will go up. It'll do 51 to 5,300, and then it'll pull back, chop, and everything. Get ready to do a lower high. Alts will scam like, and then that like for me, that's like just historically, I feel like what the cycle should be like. Honestly, I don't know.
Hmm.
There's not much like technicals put into it. I feel like it's just like almost like a personal preference thing. And I know it doesn't matter what I want the chart to do, but I don't know. I
Yeah,
feel like
that's what.
that to
Yeah,
me
I
makes the
know what
most
you're
sense.
saying. I get what you're saying. Like same thing, bro.
Yeah,
That's what I
yeah,
would like to see too, bro. Then it will like clear out everything, and then we can, you know what I'm saying. But like if
yeah.
that doesn't offer, then you know what I'm saying. This plan
But like
gotta
that'll
play
be like a
out.
fire. If not though, that'll be a fire. This low will
But
be
it
a
makes
fire
sense
short
though.
take profit level. Like that shit's such a heavy just draw, bro. Like we never even filled the gap. So you have all that lick sitting there within a huge gap on the 23.
It's
Like that
like
shit's just
it's like for me, like I was really like looking at two things, which was like how this candle closed. That's why I was like saying if this candle closed like somewhere like down there or something, bro, then it would have been like high probability that we do open low and just like take that and fill it. That
and
would
that
have been
shit would have been the blast.
yeah,
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 the next one open low,
exactly.
and
But
that's your perfect entry for the next huge leg up.
yeah, but then we sucked up hella, bro, for the close.
Yeah,
You
we
know what
didn't
I'm
even
saying?
fill
And
the
that
gap.
yeah, we literally sucked up the whole 70% of the move now. And that's why I was just like, okay, then now we just gotta kind of first look at the previous leg, and expect to hold until proven otherwise. You know what I'm saying? Meaning we start to gap below these levels on the daily or something. You know what I mean? Then, we're really coming down here, which all lines
Yeah,
with we really gotta hold whatever level that we're dancing with right here, right?
yeah.
We
Because
can't
if
really
we
see a
don't, then
mega
it's
gap
like
down at this point. So we really
yeah.
either need to start to gap up on the daily, or guys, we're really coming down there for the final sweekie. I'm telling you guys.
I feel like that's fine. I feel
So
like if that happens though, that's so fire 'cause it's such a
it
clear
is.
short.
It
Like
will be,
the
bro.
short target, bro. Like you literally just take shorts every day on
Till
every
that
lower
target
high that gets
exactly. Till
offered,
that
bro,
low
and then
gets
it's
hit.
super easy.
Yeah, then you
Yeah,
can just
until we
short
take that
open
low.
high till we take those lows out. But that's only if we can gap below that line and we
Yeah,
have
yeah,
that
yeah,
confirmation. Then we
yeah,
can, start to do open highs and then, just take the fucking, short in the third six and then, you know, take your daily snap. Take the long in the morning, take the short at night. I
yeah.
mean, take the long at night and take the short in the morning.
I'm in a pretty good mood though. I feel like it's like, bro, like shit feels a lot more clear now. Like it's not all like we finally got FOMC out of the way with the government shutdown. Like there's no rate cuts. I feel like clearly there's no rate cuts, and then now it's just like, bro, now there's literally two things that are gonna happen. We either lose previous leg, and we go take shorts till the low until we fill the gap, and then we can take longs right when we do that. That's the lower low, and then next 23-day higher low, and then blast it, take profit at the highs. I feel like that shit's fire. Fuck with it. It
Yep.
feels a lot more clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, those are the two things that we're looking at, guys. So make sure to check on the scenarios.
As well as look at Sol BTC. I think Sol BTC looks fire, to be honest.
Yeah, it took so
Like
long.
yeah, it did like on the high time frame, perfect swing, held GP like perfectly,
That's
and
what
then
I'm
it just
saying,
did a
bro.
higher low to like this internal little GP, like,
That's what
and
I'm
it's swinging. It's not
saying,
gapping down.
bro.
It's literally swinging on every
That's
time
why I
frame.
took it, bro. But
Like
I
yeah, I
need to
think
see
I
a
think
gap
shit
up
looks
now.
good. Like I feel like we're kind of. I have like a feeling now of like we're back. Like we finally opened the new 23. We're not gapping down anymore. Like unless we do gap down
We
on
need
ETH,
to
then
start
yeah.
gapping
But I feel
up,
like it's like
bro.
I've been in a good mood recently. It's like, bro, I feel like I don't have to dedicate every waking second to watching the chart because anything can happen at any time.
Mm-hmm. That's
Because
what
it's
I'm
like now
saying,
it's
man.
just now it's just like it's clear, it's clean, and it's nice, bro. It's like less stressful because now it's finally like there's literally two things that's gonna happen, and
Yeah, and
obviously
and then lately, guys, it's literally two things. If it dumps at night, right? Then it's gonna pump in the morning. You just wake up, oh no gap down, third six, oh yep, TP the short, and then take the long. And then if it pumped that night, you're pumping, pumping, pumping. You took the long, looks good, and then you wake up, third six open, and it does the open high. You just TP, bro. No matter how good it looks, I'm telling you guys. Then then take the short or something. For me, I just close it and go to the gym. But if you're not, doing anything after that, then you just close it and you can even reverse the trade, take the short, something. Very simple nowadays, bro. You just gotta make sure you do one or the other, then you're making money. That's what I'm saying. We really need 2 6-hour candles. That's it. SPX.
SPX looks crazy.
Yo, did you see SPX, Steam?
Yeah, it looks crazy.
Oh, bro, that shit got me break even today, bro.
Yeah, that daily candle, today's daily candle was kind
Bro,
of
that shit
crazy. It
got
took
me,
a
bro. I really did not expect that to happen on it, bro, to be honest, bro. But I got at least I knew that new open low was coming with the new FOMC, so I was just like, yep, I'm gonna put break even just in case, right? And just in case happened to be the case, bro. You
yeah,
feel me? But
bro.
then that's why I was just like,
Every
oh,
all.
thank God it was just the fucking break even, bro. I was gonna be pissed too, bro. I was
I'd
gonna
have
be
been.
stupid pissed, but that's why I was just like, I wasn't that pissed today, bro, because everything was just like break even. I was just like, fuck it. But like, damn.
Every altcoin chart looks kind of the same. I think Farcoin looks the best out of probably everything I've seen
Farcoin looks
today.
good, bro.
I think that shit looks. It looks like it's gonna look
Yeah,
pop
I said it
candle.
last night, bro. That shit looks crazy. Look at it. That shit
I
sent.
know that shit looks. Yeah, that
Yeah,
shit looks
tomorrow
crazy.
candle, I think we can take the higher low on
Oh
this one,
yeah.
guys.
It kind of
So
already. It already offered like a higher low, but I
no,
think
I know,
it'll
I
do
know,
it.
but I'm saying like daily candle base.
Oh yeah,
Like
yeah, yeah.
next daily candle higher low, Not like structure or higher low, but like, candle
I'll just take it
next
off the
candle higher
GP
low.
in today's daily candle. Honestly.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like something, at least point 0.5 or
Yeah.
something off of today. I'm sure it will, bro. I'm telling you, it's probably gonna bounce, throughout the night, and then again, it's probably gonna dump in the morning, and then fucking, and then it's probably gonna give
Yeah.
us that entry,
Bro,
probably
you see
somewhere around this time.
XAUT?
Yeah,
You see gold, bro?
I've
We
been
dead ass
trading
had
that
the
shit,
top.
bro.
We had the top,
Bro, I'm telling
and
you, bro.
fucking
I've been
didn't
trading
fumble,
that shit,
bro.
bro. I've been practicing. I've been practicing trading that shit, bro.
I haven't
But
touched it
Steen, I
since
found
the fumble.
if you serious, Steen, here I'll tap in after, bro, because I found a little forex brokerage and shit like that you can just you can send
To
USDT.
trade like
Yeah.
actual
I've been
XAUUSD.
yes, bro, because one of my other homeboy he trades gold heavily, so he tapped me in.
Yeah, I can fuck with like a
So
broker
that's
like
what
that.
I'm
Just
saying,
sounds
bro.
like
We could just send a
yeah.
couple bucks, literally,
Can
because
you take USDT?
you can do 500x leverage. Yeah, you can send Solana,
Oh
Bitcoin,
gosh,
USDT. But
300x.
yeah, it's 1 to 500,
Oh,
but it's 4x, and then the crazy thing is, we can like it's not like average price. We can enter here, and then we can have another entry there. You know what I'm saying? Like how futures
yeah.
does,
I've never. I'm not like a forex guy, but that's the same shit as like buying lots. It's the same shit as
Yeah,
like
exactly.
breakout.
No, it's with lots, exactly. And you just gotta do baby size because it's on 500x, and then boom. You know what I'm saying?
You just gotta mega DCA
Yeah, you just
everything.
literally those, bro. Like the way that we trade, bro. Just small size, one trade. You're, like literally easy 2 bands.
Really?
Yeah, it's because it's high leverage, bro. I'm telling you,
Yeah, and
it's
it doesn't
stupid
really
high
move
leverage.
that much.
Yeah, So I'm just gonna send a couple bands just to fuck around. You know what I'm saying? See if I, you know what I'm saying, make some money or fuck it up or something. I don't know because, I
Yeah,
gotta
I'll probably do the
practice that
same.
shit,
I'm
bro.
down. I'll do the same.
Yeah, this is what I'm saying, bro. We gotta tap into that shit, bro. Cause, bro, like that should just be printing, and we were so right on it too, bro. It just does whatever I think it will do. That's why I want
We
to like
literally
trade it.
had the
Like
top
that's why I've been
wick
like
on that
practicing,
shit, and
bro.
fucking
Literally, bro. It
we
was
didn't
so
take it
dumb
by
how
like maybe a point zero zero one
I just
percent
don't get how
difference,
we
bro.
didn't take that, bro. Like
Yeah,
literally,
we
bro.
should have honestly.
Bro, we were so impatient for that. We literally,
Yeah,
boom!
that shit
Oh
was.
my god, bro. We
It's just
literally
lack
was
of
like
like knowledge
staring.
in that market,
Bro,
though.
right there, just look at 138. That's what we were looking at. We were just like, bro, like that shit just swinging on 138 exactly on time. Look at this.
Yeah,
Boom. And I'm just like, nah, bro, that's it, bro. Like, and then the daily open, and then it's at the open high, and we're like, oh, fuck, it did the thing, and we didn't take it, bro. We didn't
I know
trust the
that
gold
shit's so
create to,
tragic too.
but
Yeah,
we literally called it to the tick too, bro. And then boom, nah, we would have
yeah,
caught
that
the
shit's
fattest gold
crazy.
trade of our life, bro.
I
Literally, bro.
know that's like the biggest. This is like the biggest
And
retracement of
we,
gold I've seen in
bro,
a
and we,
minute.
we we said we're only gonna put like couple hundred, but even couple hundred, bro, we would have printed like free snack off
Yeah,
that, bro. Like how
yeah,
much
that
that
would have
is,
been
bro.
nuts. That would have
And we're
been
on
stimulus big.
50x, so that'll
I
been a
kind of like
cut,
how it
you
looks
know.
now though.
Oh, look at that shit, bro. That shit fucking is looking crazy again.
It low key looks kind of insane right now.
Bro, it just does this every weekend though. So you just don't trade it on the weekend, bro. Like
Yeah, it
that's
does the
that's
weird little flat
yeah,
line.
yeah, because the actual gold is not trading.
Yeah.
That's
Well, it
why
looks like you
this
got a 50-50 chance of either long or short after a weekend
yeah,
on
bro.
this
Look,
shit, bro.
same thing here. Look, that's the weekend. You see what I'm saying? Every time,
Yeah,
but every just that's what I'm saying. Just don't trade it on the weekend and then trade any other day, and then this shit is moving, bro. This shit is moving, and you can see it's just with the time too. It's just right with the times that
damn.
we
And on
trade.
500x too, bro. You probably need
Bro,
like,
look at this, bro. Like, oh,
damn.
bro,
You
bro,
could
but
print with literally a
gold
hundred
is
bucks,
weird
two
though, bro.
hundred bucks.
This shit likes to dump. Hella. Bro, it be
Looks like
putting in
you
the
have.
top in the Asian session, bro. Look, same two setup, bro. That's why I was like, bro, we gotta take this one because I took this one. I took the short on this one, and then boom, that's why I got hooked. And then I'm like, that's why we seen this one. I'm like, Steen is doing the same thing. You see what I'm
Yeah,
saying? It
we
didn't
dead
take
ass
this
opened this
one,
shit up and we were
and
like,
then
oh
the
yeah,
one
this
that
is
we
the
didn't
short.
take was the fatter one, of course. Because I was like, bro, even from here, I was like, bro, this is looking like it needs a fat pullback now, bro. And then, bro, I was just like, I heard somebody was talking about like this 7 week upside thing on gold, and it always gets retraced type shit, bro. And it did exactly that too. It did a 7 week run up, and I'm like, bro. And then right after that, that's why I was like, yep, that's the top tick. And then boom, and I'm just like, what? This shit is
I
crazy
fuck with it. Yeah,
works,
you'll have to put me on with the broker later.
bro. I don't know, man, but this thing, bro. So now it's if it's gonna gap up on the next candle again. I mean, make another gap, then can take the short on it again. Just take the low or something, bro. Because I took a little long earlier. That shit got taken. So look at that, man.
It's clean. I fuck with it.
Okay. Look at this 90-minute candle. CRV is holding good too. Did you see CRV skiing?
No, I haven't
Look
been
at
really
that
paying.
shit, bro.
Honestly, I haven't been paying attention to the alts. I've just been trading the Bitcoin, ETH, and Solana.
I just
I
been
gotta
watching these
get
ones,
more
bro.
Bitcoin.
I just been watching these ones. That's it. I haven't been watching
Yeah.
too many coins. I was just trending
Except
it
for
down.
Aster though, I have been
Yeah,
Aster. What's it called? I fuck with Aster. Like Aster's just looks better than everything else,
yeah, right
honestly.
there, bro. If it does the higher low, it's gonna blast again.
I
Because
mean,
it's
bro,
still
like
at the
look at the
bro, it's
90.
at the
Jay, look at the
previous
90.
hit.
This shit's gonna
I know it
send.
can't,
I mean, I
bro.
took the
I
long.
know,
Like,
but
look,
just
it's
look, bro.
holding previous
I'm
leg.
already in it.
Like,
I'm already in it, but I'm saying
oh,
like
oh, so
if
we're
it,
both. Oh, so we're both on. Yeah, yeah. It's at. I
it's
mean, it's literally
already
at GP. Like,
that's what I'm saying, bro.
holding
It's
previous leg.
already
It looks good.
yeah, that's what I'm
I
it's
didn't get the best.
textbook.
I could have gotten better entry though. To be honest, I just the second
It's
it came
just
to
textbook,
GP, I was
bro.
like, yep, 10x. I'm just taking it right now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's just textbook on this one. And I've been telling y'all to watch it to hit this level, and we finally hit it today with the mega lick. So and we're not gapping down. So as long as we're patient, wait for the new gap up. But I think we're chilling, bro. And then the moment it
I mean,
makes
on
that
a
new gap up,
Wednesday, FOMC took previous leg during
that's what I'm
36.
saying, bro. Right on that, like that's gotta be a mega
Yeah.
play, bro. You see what I'm saying, bro? And tell me when tell me when we really got cooked taking risk like this. It always often not play out, right? Like we're up next day, right? We're not up right now, but like next day we're
Soon.
always printing. You know what I'm saying? Like off of
Yeah.
those plays, or like sometime like couple 6 hour candles, after. You know what I'm saying? It really pays off. But like these are like time-based setup, guys. It's right on time doing the previous liquid test. Like not gapping down. Like I don't know. You know what I'm saying? That's like a mega hint because now, like even here, like I tell you guys, this is the last validation level, because if we now fair value lower here, then that simply means we're going to take all these lows out and make a new low. Okay. Right. But if we hold here and not gap down, then the story changes now, right? Then that means it's going to hold these legs, right? And start to gap higher, right? Then if we start to gap higher, then we can expect us to take these highs out. All right. And then we got the open right here too. Weekly open. You know what I'm saying? And we didn't do the open high. You feel me, Steve?
I know this shit's
Yeah, we
bro.
didn't
This
do the
shit's
mega
like
open high because that's what I was like,
yeah.
okay, like and then we would have like take out the lows, if we did the open high, Monday, Tuesday, but we did Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So
I fuck with it. I like Aster as a project in general. I think this will be really good bear market. Like bear market, I think this shit'll be like this is something I'll buy.
well, yeah, we need to scoop a lot up in the bear
Yeah,
market
this
for
will
sure,
like
man.
on spot. Like this will
Yeah,
do.
with
This will
Sui and
do.
shit.
I think, in my opinion,
Yeah, with Sui,
and like, oh, what's BNB doing though?
bro. BNB looks crazy. Look at it.
That shit does look kind of insane. Fuck.
Yo,
Oh, this
Peter.
shit does look crazy.
Yo, Peter. What's up, Peter? What we doing here?
CZ got pardoned too.
Bitcoin hit the daily gap though into the GP. He said long and chill, short and chill, again long and chill. That's so. Would you long now, Peter? I know you long some things off that lick. I know he didn't just watch that lick. Ah, see? Yes,
He gets
sir.
it. That's the shit. That's the
Yeah,
same shit
he's
I
in
was.
soul. That's why my soul is holding, bro. Nicely, bro. I like it.
You see,
I
look at
like it.
DXY too.
Yeah. But this is actually crazy, bro. Now I have the Bitcoin swing long from 105, right, Steen? And then now I have the ETH swing long from 1760. I'm just like collecting these swing longs, bro. See how long I can
Like
hold them to
Infinity
this,
Stones, yeah.
bro. Give me all the swing positions, man. Like I honestly like love like catching those like plays, bro. Like those like low plays, bro, and just holding it. I love it. It's like passive income, quite literally. And sometimes it pays you too, bro, on the funding fee.
Look at SNX too, bro. SNX just looks so ridiculously stupid, but it looks kind of crazy.
For SNX, bro. Let me
Bro,
see.
yeah, look at it on the six. I need a gap up. Like I need a gap up though, so I can take like a mini higher low.
Oh, yo, that
You
shit
see, like
looks
it's
stupid.
not gapping down at all, but it refuses to gap up though. So like I'm just waiting. I'm kind of just waiting. Like on the 90, it hasn't even gapped up on the 90. So it's like I'm waiting till it does gap up. But I think that shit'll go, honestly, if like SNX, I think SNX looks kind of crazy. Because it already scammed once. I think it could probably scam again. I just need like displacement
Yeah, Solana looks wild here. Esther looks crazy. Doge looks wild too. Look at this candle flipping now. What this shitcoin Koi AI, Peter? You gonna take the risk on this one again? Or no risk on this one no more? No more for now. Okay.
No.
Peter tapped out on this one. He made too much money, bro. He
Iron.
extracted
Yeah, he
he
just yeah he
yeah, he extracted like
bro.
2 point something $1 million out of this bitch ever since here, bro. And he even called this one too, bro. He caught even
Yeah.
this
Hey,
one,
hold up.
bro.
Give me 1 sec.
That shit was way too crazy. He caught everything. And he caught the short on this one too. So he made too much money. He's done with it for now. He probably wait for another like a little 1-2 or something and he'll start to go crazy again. I have a feeling. Right, Peter? I don't even know what the next level on this thing is, man. This thing just looks like 2.1. Oh, Say's flipping now. Nice. Man, this shitcoin, man, I'm good. Ooh. It's looking good now. Let's go. Oh, Peter's pumping Solana right now, man. Let's go. Peter's pumping it. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go, Peter. Oh, I told you guys, bro. This shit needs to hold right there. If not, we're cooked. Peter, we need a fat gap up, man. Make it happen for me. Oh, look at shit, bro. He was about to tweak out too. Cause this SNX thing looks crazy. Nah, USDT is cooked here, it looks like, brother. Brother Silly. Oh, fuck. Yeah, bro. Look at USDT, bro. This shit is crooking. Oh, it's trying to mega swing on the 90 now. Oh, this is it, bro. And it did the previous lick retest right there. Boom, and then licked it. Came back, filled the gap. And then miniature structure. Now inside of this, we're doing the high, higher high, lower high, open high on this one. Oh, bro, we need to at least close below the weekly open now. Because it keeps doing this, bro, every week. You do something and then oh, you know what I'm saying? Then it's cooked. Then we're going back. So we need to watch here.
Yeah, it needs to make a lower. It needs to make a low, like an actual low. It can't just keep doing higher low pullbacks.
That's what I'm saying. It has to
Yeah.
actually boom, we can't just hang and then
Yeah,
hold
we
the
got to get some
previous
kind
lick
of like
here again.
structural shift because it
Yeah,
can't just keep
then we're doing
licking
one
to the
more.
upside.
Yeah, then we're
Yeah.
doing one more and then you know.
When you're thinking one more, what you thinking? Like 5.05, or you think like all the way up to like 5.15? I think somewhere in that range is probably where, if that's what we're getting, we'll see the reversal somewhere in that range.
Yeah, I
If we
think so
take
too,
that,
bro.
then
Yeah.
it's already rebalanced the wick and USDT like that. The wick's been rebalanced. That whole move has been kind of like
That's what I mean, bro. Bro, it looks crooked here from this point, but SNX looks really good, Steve.
yeah. I think it's a good. I think it's a. I like the setup. We really can't have like this little breakout right here though on USDT because if that happens, then that shit's cooked. Like I'm not a big trend line guy, but hop on the 90 and do the trend line from like the mega top thing. I'm an anti trend liner, but I feel like it's a pretty valid one to look at.
Yeah.
It's like we rejected though, but yeah, we'll see.
Oh, look at CRB, guys.
Oh,
I told you, bro. Look at the CRB, bro. Oh my, hey, Zell, bro. Mr. Zell, bro. I'm telling you, man. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. It's grow. Oh, it's growing one. Look at that. Right off that leg. Oh, we're printing, gang. Yeah, we're printing. Oh, yep. SPX cooking.
wait, cellular. Why don't you like the Coinbase ones?
Gay, bro. I think it'd be taxing, bro. Low key.
Oh, he means like he was using teal. I didn't know Coinbase had teal street available.
Bro, they have like perps. You know what I'm saying? Like you can trade fucking leverage on there.
How much? It's like a max.
Yeah, you can actually trade leverage on there, and then you can also trade futures on there. Like you can trade futures contract, not perps. So they got futures and perps. So the futures are like,
Whoa, that's
yeah,
kind of fire.
yeah. But I don't know if like I think one of the other student here you takes trades on there. Like he be taking Solana trades, Bitcoin trades for the leverage trade.
Oh, so that's kind of cool though. Like you like gold and
Yeah,
then
but
crude futures for
Sailor,
shit. That's kind of I
why
kind
you
of like
think it's
that.
shitty though? Why you think it's shitty? Because I was thinking about doing
Gotta
it.
be destructured.
Oh, the futures is kind of cool, you said. Oh, you can do yeah, Steam, we can do the
You can like
futures
low
on
key
gold on
hedge
there.
a lot of positions with shit like that. I kind of like that.
Yeah, because it's like bundles. It's like one contract is like
Mhm.
buying like X amount of Solana. You see what I'm trying to say? Like 500 Solana or something like that.
Mhm.
And so you just trade contracts. You know what I'm saying? Like how you would trade NQ, you know?
Like it. I think that's kind of tough, honestly.
Yeah, it's tough, bro, because it's like hella leverage, low key. Buying
Is it
one is
USDT margin?
500, you know, like yeah, type shit. So
What do you use for margin,
something,
cellular? Just
something.
USDT, or can you use anything?
I'm not sure, bro. It's yeah, it's definitely not like what we're used to, bro.
Because I found a really cool platform actually. That's a Solana. It's on Solana, but you can take like your tokens that are on Solana. Like it doesn't have to be just Sol. Like say you had like WIF, you can take your WIF tokens and you can trade futures with those tokens. I think it's cool for like spot holders. I think if
For
you're gonna
real?
actually hold spot
What
like
is
on
that?
chain, I think that should be kind of cool.
What platform that is?
I forget the name of it, but I wanted to.
Hey
Bro, that's
guys,
like the
make sure
optimal. That's like the
make
optimal way to hedge your shit, though. I feel like
make
no,
sure to
like you
go
can.
stop loss break even, guys. If you guys took the higher low trades, make sure to go stop loss break even. This is what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I'm talking about. As this thing is, you know, if you guys don't manage risk, you know, one bad candle again, boom, you know, and you're cooked out, then you can save yourself. So make sure to manage risk. Yo, Steam, we still gotta make that video, bruh.
I know, I know. I gotta lock in.
You
I've
gotta
just
lock
been
the fuck
lazy,
in,
bro.
bro.
Like I like just
Bruh,
chilling
come
on the
on now.
charts. I know. I've been kind of lazy with
Bob
it. I
made a
just like.
fire ass video today too, bro. You seen this one?
Yeah,
Bro,
I've been seeing them on the. I have like the subscriber thing, so it's like whenever you post a thing or the
bro,
notifications whenever you post
I've been
anything.
posting hella sauce, bro. I've been posting mega sauce for y'all, bro. I've been working hard, bro. You feel me? I've been dropping hella sauce. Look, I've been grinding hard now, Steam. Look, 43 now.
Hella
Oh,
videos.
see, I've been grinding, bro. I've
Yeah, I
been
gotta
dropping
lock
the
in and
mega
do my and
sauces,
do
bro. Come on, bro. We gotta drop that. See, the first video that we made was hella cool, bro. People loved it, bro. Just come
Yeah, I
back.
got. I'll lock back in.
Yeah, bro. They fuck with it, bro.
I gotta stop being a bitch. Just.
Yeah, because
It's just
I
so
just said
easy
fuck
to.
it.
It's
Like,
just so
yeah, I
easy
said
to
fuck it to
not
the
like. I just
editing and
wake
all
up.
that, bro. I just say fuck it. I just make my shorts with the AI shit, you know, like convert it, and then that's it. And then fucking, you know, just do the raw video on my fucking educational shit. I don't need no fucking edits, bro. Fuck that. That's for pussies, bro. We just do it raw, bro. Nah, bro, that's just how it
I,
is, bro. Fuck that shit, bro. I'm not trying to just be like everybody else. I'm just trying to do me. I just gotta share what I gotta share, you know? And
nah, I fuck with it
I
though.
don't try to make it hella long and
Like,
shit. I try to make it short. Try to. But yeah, because if it's too long, bro, people ain't got the focus nowadays, bro. You feel me? Like they ain't watching it all the way through, bro.
you
I
gotta
gotta
chop
make
it
it.
all up into TikToks. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. And that's why I just like, you know, or just convert it into shorts so they can just learn piece by piece. It's like little kids nowadays. You know what I'm saying? You have to like break
Deadass.
down
I know,
one
bro.
thing
I
into
dead
10
ass know
different
people that
things.
have watched like full movies on TikTok, bro.
Bro, that I
Just scrolling through cards.
know,
Like, that
bro. Like
shit's
scrolling.
crazy.
Yeah, scrolling. What? I'm like, what are you doing? They're like, I'm watching a movie. I'm like, what the fuck? You're that short-minded that you gotta scroll to watch a movie, bro? That's not, bro. Like, that would be
That
so
is cooked.
annoying, bro.
Yeah, yeah, bro. You know, like the brain rot videos where there's like something actually happening on one half, and the other half is like some Minecraft or like some like
Yeah, bro.
something stupid, bro.
I can't do that
I
shit,
thought
bro.
about running one of those with like some trading content because I thought it'd be funny as hell. Like people with no brain span, you just watch someone jump around in Minecraft instead. I thought
Yeah,
that shit
while
was
listening to
so.
Third Six Education.
I think art is right though. I think there's like hella shit that's like horrendous with the algorithm.
Yeah,
Like I've
there
been
is,
seeing a lot
bro.
about it, like how the
Cause
algorithms
like
are like
Mars
directly
videos too.
affecting people.
You know, Mars videos be hella funny, bro. You know?
Yeah, that shit's geeked as fuck, bro. Some
Bro,
of that shit's so
he,
dumb, bro. Like,
bro, the fucking electric vet. I thought he was kidding, bro. I didn't know he was actually finna do that.
nah, bro, Jay, I was there helping him film that shit, and he was like, he like touched it, bro, and like, I mean, we're not necessarily electricians, but Martin's good as hell with that. I can just solder wires together and do all that shit. But like, bro, he touched the aluminum foil, and he was like, "Damn, that shit shocked me." And I was, bro, what the fuck do you expect?
No,
You thought
dude,
it
no
wasn't gonna shock
shit,
you?
dipshit. What the fuck do you think was gonna happen after wiring all that shit up and touching that shit? You gonna just
That shit's
feel nothing?
it's so
Like,
ridiculous, bro. And then
so
the
dumb,
electric
bro.
chair, bro. He has like a separate garage at his apartment, like that you can like rent your own garage at the apartment, bro. And like the security pulled up one night because he was in there screaming. Uh, They like deadass pulled up on him. The apartment security.
I'm fucking dead, son. For real, for real. Yeah, because he's just screaming, huh? Like,
Yeah, they got like reports of like violence and screaming.
somebody getting raped sounded as, like somebody
Bro,
getting
he's
abused
just yeah,
next
bro.
door.
He's loud as
He
hell.
screams like a little girl too, when he screams. Hella high
Bro,
pitch,
he'll
bro.
do that shit all the time, bro. Fucking that
Bro,
kid is like,
I mean, I got plenty of videos to make. I just started making videos, so
yeah, you're right though, Jay. I gotta lock in and start making some videos.
not for real, bro. Gotta lock in, bro.
No, I
Lock in,
know.
bro. I just gotta do it, bro. I'm telling you, even once a week, hop on with me and do a market review. We'll be good.
It's easier with somebody else. It's impossible to talk. For me, it's
Yeah, but
impossible to
I
talk
got
to
used to it
anybody
now.
off
I just
camera,
make
bro. I feel
videos on
like
my
I'm
own
going
now.
crazy.
Nowadays I just make videos on my own. I don't mind no more. I just fucking brush it out by myself in the morning. When it's quiet and shit, I just fucking boom, 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 and I'm done real quick. Doesn't even take that long because I
Yeah,
have that
I
whole
just don't like.
routine
I don't
now.
like to do it when I'm like actually like trying to be on the charts and be efficient and like
Oh,
take trades because then I
Peter,
feel like I'm gonna get messed up.
Peter, what are you doing, Peter? Oh, Peter, come on, Peter.
What? They'll change the margin overnight?
Oh, Peter, come on, man.
I'll tell you that. What wait, that was
Oh yeah, Soul looking crazier, bro. Eve looks shit though. Stain, like look at Eve. What is that? Look at this. That should almost recover the whole thing.